So we are actually heading to Atlanta in a few minutes, hopefully in a few minutes. We are waiting for Chance to get home, and then we are going to Atlanta for spring break. The kiddos have never been there. We're all packed up. I'll put Casey in my suitcase.
Me too.
You're gonna put you in my suitcase? Okay, had to kick the kiddos out so I could talk. But I wanted to give you guys a little office update. A few months ago, I told you that we are changing our office and making it into an office/guest bedroom. So that way, when our family comes or anybody else that comes to visit us, they will have somewhere to sleep other than the guest bedroom upstairs, or the playroom upstairs does have a fold-out couch, but it's not very comfortable. And then also, like, our guest bathroom is downstairs, so we want them to be able to use that and just feel like they have a place that's away from the kids to actually stay and relax and have their own little corner of the house. So that's why we decided that we're gonna do that downstairs. Also, like, we don't want our parents to have to walk up and down the stairs to get to their stuff. So that's what's going on with our office, and I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. We have a few things in there that we have ordered, but I also have some questions. I need your opinions on some things. I've been working with my friend Stephanie, and she's an interior designer here in Savannah, and she's kind of helped me along the whole process because I had no clue what to do when it came to like having a dual purpose room, so I didn't know where to start. So she actually helped me a lot, and I kind of showed her like my house and my style, and she helped me a ton. I'm so excited to have it all finished, but I'm going to show you guys what's going on in there right now, and I have a few questions if you guys can give me your feedback. Okay, so our house is kind of a wreck right now because we pulled so much stuff out of here, but this is what it looks like so far. Those are actually coming down. Those were already up. I've pulled a few of them down already. But this is our new desk from IKEA. And that's our chair. We got a fiddle leaf tree. This is the bed. It's gonna be a day bed, and it's got a trundle, so actually 2 people can stay in here. We got this chair from IKEA. And then this is actually gonna go out in the garage. We're gonna use it for underneath Chance's tool table, and he'll be able to put all of his tools and things in there. I've had all my craft stuff in there, so we're gonna kind of share it now, which will be nice. So this chair is actually gonna go over here in this corner, which I'm excited about. And of course we have all this stuff that we still have to go through, all this mess over here that we have to go through. And then the question that I have for y'all though is we're trying to decide whether we want to wallpaper this main wall when you walk in, or if we wanna just leave it gray. Like, I'll show you guys really quickly what the wallpaper would look like. This is what the wallpaper would look like. It is like a goldish outline of these beautiful florals, and then it's kind of like an off-white maybe. So y'all tell me what you think. Would you do the wallpaper in there or not? Okay, so picturing that wallpaper, we have this blue door, and then when you walk in, you would see the wallpaper right there. So we're trying to decide, should we wallpaper that wall or just leave it gray? We're gonna have, over the bed is gonna be, we have some black frames with white mats, and then black and white pictures that are gonna go above here. It's gonna be like a gallery wall. So we're just trying to decide that. Okay, so sorry for the echo. I have no rug in here right now, but that's coming, and that's a whole other story. We have a rug, this rug, and it was way too big. Not the one down here, but the one over there. It's packaged. We're about to ship it back out, but it was way too big for this room. It touched wall to wall, so we're sending that one back. But anyways, so the reason I'm so back and forth about the wallpaper is just because I'm so nervous that I'm gonna like it for like a few months and then be ready to get rid of it. The good thing about the wallpaper, if we did do it, is it does come off easy and it doesn't mess up your walls or anything. You just peel it straight off. But then again, it's like, will we be just wasting money if we decide like a year from now that we don't like it, you know? And Chance is really more not wanting to do it than I am. I think it'll be really pretty, but then at the same time, it's like, how soon will I be sick of it, you know? I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think. Would you put the wallpaper up or not? I wanna know in the comments, and Thank you for your input. But in a few weeks, I'm gonna give you guys a full office tour. I'll show you how we organized it and everything as soon as we get it done. But yeah, I'm so excited to have it finished though. So anyways, all right, we are gonna go finish packing. All right, we are headed to Atlanta. You got your Braves hat. You ready? Leaving kind of late, so we are going to stop about halfway and get some dinner, and then we will be there.
Gotta practice my chop.
Alright, we are finally getting ready to do something. It is day one. I'm about to walk out the hotel room, have us some breakfast, some good breakfast, and then we're gonna go to Target.
Party in the elevator. Party in the elevator.
Oh, we're going up. Waves gear, we're gonna go try on. Hopefully they'll fit. Let's see those shoes. Gracie June's trying to get unicorn boots, but we're not. Kaysen needed some new shoes, so we're gonna get some slip-ons.
Don't feel too tight.
I found a mirror in Target, so I'll show you guys my outfit of the day. I have a Target cardigan, Old Navy tank top, Old Navy jeans, and then Walmart shoes. These were super cheap. They're cute. And they're comfy actually. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Oh, and I've got my Jordan & Co. necklaces on. I don't know if I've shared that with you guys yet, but they're super cute. I'll have links to everything in the description box in case y'all want to get any of this stuff for yourself. And I love these shirts in the guys section at Target. Oh my gosh. Taco Bell, Pizza Planet, Hakuna Matata. These are so cute. Gracie June said she wanted to take one home. Coke lovers, Batman. Anyways, I thought these were awesome. I really like that Taco Bell shirt though. And apparently we roll around on the ground in Target. Oh, Daddy looks at jeans. Is this inappropriate?
Hey.
Jeans outfit of the day. But I wanted to show you guys her little shoes that we got from Walmart. They were only $8. So cute. What you think, girlfriend?
Back in my hiding place.
Bye.
Because
Bye. So the next thing that we did was go to the bowling alley and arcade. It's called Main Event, and it's at one of the malls. I'm not even sure, but it's close to the Braves Stadium, so I know it's over there. And unfortunately, they had like a field trip going on, so there were a ton of high schoolers there, so we couldn't do the bowling, and we couldn't do this little like hang gliding sort of thing. I don't even know what it's called, but the kids had so much fun playing all the games. They ended up getting a ton of tickets at the end, but then we lost one of their cards, so they didn't get a lot of prizes, but they had so much fun. After we left the arcade, we ended up going to lunch at the Varsity, which if you're in Atlanta, you definitely have to eat there. It's iconic. The Varsity, we're here. Hey, I like y'all's hats. We're at the Varsity. What are you gonna get, a burger or a dog?
I'm gonna get a burger.
What do you want, Gracie?
What do you want?
Hot dog or hamburger?
Burger or hot dog?
Free hot dog.
Yeah, wear it.
Ooh, we are at the Varsity.
Oh, if it's your first time, you gotta wear it.
Kids' first time at the Varsity. Oh, we had to make some quick decisions for this food. Looks delicious. Kaysen, you gonna put ketchup on your hot dog? What do y'all think of the Varsity? Oh, I think she likes it. Yum, yum. So be honest, what'd you think of your hamburger? Good? I had a couple bites and it was pretty good.
I split it in half for Mommy to have some too.
Yeah, you did give me a little bit, didn't you? Next, we went to the Children's Museum in Atlanta, and honestly, like, Gracie June had a lot of fun, and I felt like it was more geared towards younger ages. I don't feel like there was a ton for Kason to do there, and it was kind of expensive. Like, I didn't realize, for some reason, I thought I'd seen that only you pay for the kids, because obviously the adults are not playing with all the toys and stuff and all the equipment. But you have to pay for adults and children, so it ended up being around $95 for all 4 of us to go, and we were there for just a few hours, so I think it's a little bit overpriced, but Gracie June did say it was one of her favorite parts of the trip. Milk that cow, buddy. Oh. Okay, Mr. Cow. Or Miss Cow. Milk it, Kason. And Gracie June is way up there. So neat.
Ow! Great. Ow! Mom, can you help me?
Gracie, that's beautiful. Is that a bumblebee?
No, look at it. From the side, it looks like a what?
A bumblebee. You signed her name.
Aw, GJ.
Gracie, you signed her name on your picture?
Kid.
Alright.
After we left the Children's Museum, we ended up going down to Ponce City Market because a ton of you suggested it to me over on Instagram, and I'm telling you guys, this was so gorgeous. We hung out on the lawn for a little bit while the kids played. Then we went and walked around to all the shops, and Chance and I got a drink from Tap on Ponce, and it was just so much fun just getting to walk around and check out what they had to offer. We're in Ponce City Market. Is that how you say it? Ponce or Ponce?
I don't know. Whatever flair you want to.
So pretty. Come here, bud. Hanging out here on the lawn. So pretty.
Welcome to balance beam. Your balance beam routine. Mountain. We've been in the car for quite some time. Stuck in traffic. I don't think we'll come back to Atlanta unless we just come for a game because this is kind of ridiculous. What do you think? Oh, there might be a wreck.
Yeah, I think there's a wreck up here, but... So we finally made it to Stone Mountain, and it was such a great day. We had so much fun, and it was just a lot of fun for me just because I grew up going to Stone Mountain during the summers and seeing the laser show, so that was so neat to get to see it. I haven't been since high school, so that's been a long time. But we played putt-putt, we rode the train, Gracie June said that her favorite part of the entire day was playing in the sandbox, and I'm like, okay, we live near the beach. You can play with sand anytime. But then they also played a little bit in the geyser area, which they didn't have bathing suits, so they couldn't really get wet. But
next time we go, we'll definitely bring bathing suits for that. I had no idea about that little area. And then we also did the tight ropes. I didn't get any video of that because we had to put our phones and everything up, but we did the tight ropes. Kaysen made it all the way through the course. He was so scared, but he did it. And then Gracie June cried at the very beginning, so Chance took her down while me and Kaysen went through the course. So we also rode to the top of Stone Mountain, which Kaysen said was his favorite part, was riding up there and getting to see off the top of the mountain. We've never done anything like that with them before, so that was really, really neat. And then after we did walk around the mountain for a little while, we went back down and got dinner, and then we watched the laser show. Stone Mountain. I wish we were at Disney World, I guess. Woo! Look at that view. Holy mackerel. Gracie? We're at the Braves Stadium. Suntrust Park. Uh-oh. Where we go? Hey, Gracie. Hey, Kaysen. Okay. Booty's all wet.
Gracie, say, go Braves! Go Braves! Look at me and say it.
Go Braves!
You say it. Go Braves! Oh.
Alright, we're up here at the ball field. Say hey! You ready to watch some Braves play ball? No? We're gonna have to. Say hey, guys! Chant. Hey! We're gonna say go Braves on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go Braves! Turn. Oh! Stop here. Alright, let's show you the field. So the kids got to play lots of games. They got cotton candy, the Braves won, and we had a blast on our trip to Atlanta. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching our vlog of our trip, and don't forget to tell me about what you think I should do in the office. Should I wallpaper it or not? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!